Julie, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Venkat Sarpur from Manali. Excitement was to a peak when I started the ride, when I was thinking all the way about the ride from the start of the year 2024, and excitement reached its peak as the date of my travel was coming nearing, and now we are almost done with the ride, and we are in Manali now, and we have all done, and we'll be ascending down the altitudes now from the Manali to the Delhi, and in next couple of days we will be back to Hyderabad. Yes, that's the plan, and let's hope that, fingers crossed, let's hope that we don't get any traffic in the way, because I know there is lots of traffic which we get from Manali to Delhi highway. So let's see. Mostly at the Mandi we get the traffic, but let's hope we don't get the traffic. And let's have a look at the morning view which which I saw when the moment I got up today. Alright, that was the time lapse of what we saw in the morning, and now you can see the clear mountain, but hiding back behind the clouds. So let's hope we don't get into rain, and look at that view on the side of us. And one more thing is these apple trees just beside our hotel. Let's try and pluck couple apples and taste them before we leave, while we leave for the hotel. And it's all the season, it's all the apple orchards here. It's all the apple orchard here right now in front of the hotel, and it's a season right now for the hotel, for the apples, until end of the October. And that's our Bagheera and Azad just below the room, and it's a small balcony which we got. A very huge big room. Please excuse with the chaos, because we just have to unpack everything. It's a very big room which we got, and the view was awesome. The hotel's name is Hotel Hill. I'll show you once I go down, and I'll also give you the details of the hotel so that you can check in and book for the rooms. The only drawback of this hotel is it is bit on the hillside, because to get the view of the hill, and on the opposite side. But travel also is a problem. There are no public transports here, or even if there's a public transport, it will be a costly one. So just plan for that accordingly. Let's quickly have the breakfast. Let me see if the breakfast is ready or not, and I'll show you the information how it was. Alright, breakfast is here, and guess what the breakfast is? Same old for last 15 days. Either Maggie or bread toast or the aloo paratha. So having aloo paratha with curd and a coffee. So let me quickly have it, and let's meet directly in the helmet view. Alright, here is the apple orchard where we are. Yes, you can see there are a couple of trees, apples hanging. This is season right now for the apple. You can see the apples are falling. Let's try to see if I can pluck one or two, not more than that, so that we can eat or give it to a friend in Delhi. So tiny apples. Yes, this is the apple orchard, and we are here on the apple orchard. You can see at the back, it's all apple orchids here. So let's quickly pluck a couple and talk more on the helmet view. Alright, welcome back to the helmet view, and bike is all ready, both are ready, and that's the hotel name and contact details. It has a good parking, decent parking. At least 3 to 4 cars can park, or 10 to 12 bikes can park easily. You can pause and get the contact details and the view with the Apple Arcades. Apple's hanging. So we're already getting late. Time is around 10. So, and today's distance is around 550 kilometers. As per Google Map, it says it will reach by 8:30. Let's quickly rush and I'll talk more on the way once we hit the highway. Just behind our hotel, after 100 meters, look at that waterfall. It's so narrow because there is no rains and limited water. And this is the water which is coming directly from the glacier melt or the rainfall and directly falls down. So we had there was a landslide couple of days back here on our way to hotel, and we had to change the route. So this is a different route which we are coming, and people going to the apple orchards to pick up the apples from the apple trees. The basket they go pick up, fill. Idena? Ide kada? Ide. Ada photo తీస్తావా? అన్నా కారుకి ఏం కాదు, కింద పడదు కదా కారు. అంటున్నా కారు ఎక్కడ కింద పడదు కదా అన్న, బైక్ అయితే కింద పడుతుంది కదా. చెట్లు ఎక్కడెక్కడో పెట్టిరన్నా, కొండ మీద ఎక్కడెక్కడో పెట్టిరన్నా చెట్లు, యాపిల్ చెట్లు. అదే అంటున్నా కొండకే ఉన్నాయి, కిందికి ఏం లేవు. వాటర్ క్రాసింగ్. ఎక్కడి నుంచి పోదా, లెఫ్ట్ రైట్, ఎట్లా పోదామా అని ఆలోచిస్తున్నాను. ఈజీగా వచ్చేసింది. చెమట కారుతుంది, చెమటలు వస్తున్నాయి. ఇంకా రౌండ్ ఉందన్నా, ఇంకా 2 ఉన్నట్టున్నాయి, 2-3 రౌండ్లు ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా. అదే అంటున్నా కదా, మొత్తం నడిపింది ఏమనిపించలే. అక్కడ సైడ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా ఏమనిపించలే. దీనికి టార్చర్ అయిపోయింది, దీనికే ఎక్కువైపోయింది స్ట్రెస్. స్టీప్ ఒకటి, రాళ్ళు ఒకటి. కార్లు అంటే ఏముందన్నా, దిగుతుంది, కింద పడకుండా పోతుంది. పడదు కదా అది, మనం పడతాం కింద. ఇంకోటి నీది ఇంకా నడుస్తుంది, నాకు ఇంకా వెయిట్ మొత్తం చేతుల మీదనే ఉంటుంది, బాడీ వెయిట్ మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు స్టీవ్లా. తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కదా. అది సిట్టింగ్ పోస్టర్ కూడా అట్లనే ఉంటుంది కదా. కొండ కూడా ఎక్కుతుంది సార్. ఏం కదా మెల్లికి దిగుతున్నా. లూజ్ ఉంది సాయిల్. అయిపోయినా ఇంకొక్కటి అమ్మా అమ్మా చూడన్నా ఇది కారు వస్తుంది లేదు రారా. ఇది ఎక్కిస్తాడు అన్నాడు వీళ్ళు. కారు వస్తూనే అన్నాడు. నువ్వు రా కిందికి రా. ఆడు ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర టర్నింగ్లో ఉన్నాడు. బైక్ వస్తున్నాడు. కనిపించిండా? అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ రోడ్డు కనబడుతుంది కదా. ఈ రౌండ్ తిప్పితే అయిపోయింది. అంటే అయిపోయింది కదా. అలా ఆల్టో ఎక్కిస్తున్నాడు ఫస్ట్కి. the capital of Himachal Pradesh. So we will be descending a lot today, and in today's vlog only we are goodbye to the mountains as well when we reach the Delhi. So, goodbye Manali until we visit you again next time with friends or with family. With you. Last view of Manali, but because after Manali we will be one more like these rivers which was flooded 20 days back. You can see all this stones, boulders there on the road, and there are places where the road has been washed out also. In the Alright, we enter Kullu and the beauty of Kullu. Look at it. Just beside the beach river, same as Manali, and this is all the Kullu. You can see both the sides of the beach river is situated the Kullu city or the town, which is famous, same as for Manali, like apples, tourism, and newlywed couples. Yes, one of the famous honeymoon sites in India after Shimla is Kullu and Manali. People come here to explore, visit these places, and enjoy the weather. And we cross. Na, koi baat nahi.
5 hours later.
Alright, we've already said goodbye to the mountains and we are across Chandigarh. So until now it was just raining here and there, like raining for a couple of kilometers, then stopping, then raining, then stopping. But so I had to take the camera off the helmet and keep it safely so that it doesn't get destroyed, spoiled. So yeah, we've just crossed Chandigarh and stopped here for the lunch. And they've already done the lunch. Lunch was butter roti, paneer curry, and paneer butter masala, and zero rice and dal fry. So taste was okay. And now the time is to start the next leg. We have around 260 more kilometers to ride, and mostly by 9:30 we'll be reaching the Delhi. So let's try and see to push as much as we can and reach as early as possible. And by the way, this is the seating of Sher Punjab Dhaba. You can see the food was normal, no spice at all. But what to do? Have to eat. So a couple more days and then we'll be back to Hyderabad and we'll have the Desi Hyderabad, the tasty, tangy food. Alright? Let's talk more on the helmet view. Now that we are in the plains and no more mountains and no more rains. Kulal Madhyadigil. రోడ్ బాగుంది, అది చాలు. మొత్తం ఇలా ఉంటే చాలు. రోడ్డు ఇట్లానే ఉంటే చాలు అన్న. కచ్చ రోడ్ రాకుండా, ట్రాఫిక్ వచ్చినా పర్లేదు కానీ కచ్చ రోడ్ రాకుండా. Alright, ride update. After having the lunch in Sher Punjab Dhaba, we just started, and because of the farmers strike and between Delhi and Ambala, we had to reroute to a different route altogether, and presently we are juggling between the heavy vehicles to reach our destination, which is possibly Delhi today, which is around 200 more kilometers, and the arrival is 10 o'clock. And coming to the Delhi, let's hope we reach Delhi. I'm not sure as of now, but we'll give you the update as early as possible. So sun is almost set. The time is around 6:30. It's not like the higher altitudes like Ladakh where the sun used to set around 7:30. Now by 7 it will be all dark. So the speed will obviously come down, but Google Maps still is suggesting at 50 at an average of 50 per hour, which means we can ride around 70-80. Because when you ride 70 to 80, that is when the average comes down to 50. So let's see what's going on, what goes on, and where do we end where I end the vlog. Okay.